Boy, so good. Well, today's going to be a fun little dish. I'm really in love with the picanha, which is a sirloin cap. I just think it's fabulous. I have this beautiful prime one. Great marbling. Look. Elite prime. So a couple things that are so fun about watching people who haven't cooked a picanha before. And that is, they see this big fat cap and they go, oh no, I better trim this. I can't possibly. But I'm going to show you what we do here. So here's the amount of trimming I'm going to do on this picanha. Get ready, because if you blink, you'll miss it. Oh wait, there's a little piece of fat there. There, I just did all the trimming I'm going to do on this. But what I am going to do is turn it over. Just pat it down. Now we're going to cook this, and we're going to cook it fat side up. And we're going to cook it about 250 on a pellet grill. I really like to use my Santa Maria, but I don't have it here. So we're going to do this, and at the same time, we got some hatch pepper polenta from Melissa's. I don't have a deal with Melissa's. She doesn't like me. Okay, some nice salsa from my friends at El Toro Loco. What we're going to do is we're going to take this polenta and we're going to mix it with some chicken stock and some Parmesan and make it almost like grits on the salsa. We're just going to heat it up and drizzle it on the top. So let's go. Let's score the top to start. Sharp knives are so nice to have. So you see that looks kind of beautiful, huh? What we're going to do is we're going to take our Double Secret, my favorite steak rub. I'm biased, but I can back it up. Double Secret's got this salt. Now what we're going to do, we're going to kind of pat it down a little bit to see if it can get inside those score marks. Because I really want to get that flavor in there. Okay, now let's flip her over. Okay, let's hit this side. Look at beautiful marbling. And like I said, this is going to be the bottom side, but at the end, we're going to do a little searing. We're not pressing hard, we're just pressing in, make sure we get it in there. Look, I will see you. We're going to wait about 5 minutes, let it sweat, and I'll see you by the cooker. Hey kids, the picanha's on. I'm going to do something that I never do, and that's heat salsa. So let's go to medium. Start. Just about half. So it smells hot. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! I can't wait for this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, we're getting this hot. It's bubbling. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the warmer and we'll make the polenta. Okay, let's make the one I've been excited about right now. So undo this. I'll take this polenta. Okay. Okay, we got our chicken stock ready. So I can get this broken up a little bit. We're going to try and get this so it looks a little bit like grits. Okay, this is getting close. A little secret ingredient. Get some Parmesan in there. I think it needs some little Louis. You know, sometimes you can't figure things out. It's little Louis. I want to cut just one bit of bitterness off it. So it's just going to get a dash of honey. A little more Louis. And I think we've doctored it into perfection. Ooh, look at this beauty. Oh, I'm very pleased. A little show-off time. Let's see if it's any good. Oh, I think so. There we go. Okay, our hatch chili polenta. Let's lay this stuff in here. Okay, that's a little spicy chili salsa coming. We just want a little bit in there to contrast. Oh, look at this leftover meat. Boy, so good.